జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Dasharatha Maharaju got shocked and fainted, again getting up after listening to the two boons which were asked by Kaikeyi. That Kaikeyi is asking, send Rama to the Aranyam and give this entire kingdom to Bharata. After listening to that, now Dasharatha Maharaju saying that, "O Kaikeyi, when each and every citizen is craving for Rama, how can I leave? How can I give up my Rama? What kind of bad things, what kind of wrong things that Rama has done? Under what excuse? Under what fault? Finding what fault I can... How do I send Rama to the forest? O Kaikeyi, Kausalyam va, Sumitram va, Jeevitam va, Atmano, Ramam natu. I can give up Kausalya. I do not care about Sumitra. I do not care about my own life. But I would never give up my Rama. I can never be separated from my Rama. I cannot bear the separation from my Rama. O Kaikeyi, if I don't see, if Rama is not in front of me, I would not bear my life at all. Natu Ramam vinadehe tishthetu mama jeevitam. The moment, the second, the fraction of second, if I think that Rama is not with me, my life would immediately go away. I would be no more at all. O Kaikeyi, how did you even think of doing like this to Rama? There is no way that I can send Rama to the forest. Forget about all that. I do prostrate at your feet. I put my head on your feet and doing namaskaram. Please confer your grace on me. Please pity me. Please do not say that again. Don't give any care, any attention to the words that people are saying to you. Maybe you got so much influenced and captivated by the people, their words. Please do not care those words. You have never said like this in the past. Always you used to say to me that how much ever Bharata, I like Bharata, the same amount of love I have towards Rama. You said that so many times to me. How did you suddenly change your mind? Atyanta Sukumarasya, the most delicate person Rama, the most delicate son my Rama. How did you even imagine that he would be in the forest for 14 years? O Kaikeyi, Satyena lokan jagati, Dinan danena Raghavaha. He is the one always, Rama is the one who always craves for welfare of each and every entity in this entire world. Such great heart Rama has, and he would never lie, and he would never speak a word that would hurt anyone's feelings. Nasmarami apriyam vakyam. He would never hurt anybody's feelings. Such wonderful son Rama. How did he even think that I would send him to forest? O Kaikeyi, I am getting older. Very soon I am going to be dying. Please pity me. Please do not say that. Please protect. Please save my Rama. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju constantly, continuously praying and doing and begging and scolding Kaikeyi. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami Let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.